Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Here I am Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Deshe. My dear students of class 6, today I am going to take your English second paper and our today's topic is article. Today we will do RW class on article. And in our previous classes, we have discussed about the rules of articles, and today we will do exercises. And in your exam, we will you will be given question like this. Now look, maybe there will be a dialogue and there will be some fill in the blanks, and you have to put the articles if it is necessary. And you can be given a passage also. You can now. We will start our class. Now look, fill in the gaps with a, n or the and put a cross where no article is needed. So we will fill fill in the gaps with the articles, that means with a, n or the, and we will also put cross if no article is needed in the fill in the blanks. So let's start. So there is a dialogue between James and Kabir. Okay, let's read. James: hello young man, I am dash Englishman. Now look, Englishman, and we all know that E is the vowel sound, so we will write here N, so it will be N. I have come to your country for dash first time, so it is the ordinal number, and we know that before ordinal number we use the. So for the first time, will you please help me? Now there is another person, Kabir is saying, oh sure, please tell me what can I do for you. Now James is telling, well, can you help me in finding out dash suitable hotel where I can reside for dash few days. Now look, finding out dash suitable hotels. Now look at this word suitable. S is the consonant sound, so it will be A. Here we will write here A, and now look, there is the only one hotel, so we will write here A, suitable hotel where I can reside for dash few days. Now look, we all know that before the word few, little, we use A when it indicates the plural. Now look, it is days, so we will write here A. So number D will be A. Well, you can help me in finding out, number C, A, suitable hotel where I can reside for, number D, a few days. So both C and D will be A. Now Kabir is saying, yes, I can. I think it's dash Sheraton Hotel. So now look, before the name of the hotel, we use the. So we will write here the. Yes, I can. I think it's the Sheraton Hotel. So number E will be the. You can find there dash lot of foreigners. Now look, number F, I have told you, just like number D, there will be A because it indicates the plural nouns. Now look, so it will be a lot of foreigners. Now James is saying again, can you tell me the way to that hotel? Now Kabir is saying, why not, let's hire that taxi. Now they will hire, of course, one taxi, so it will be A, and T is the consonant sound, so there will be A. Why not, let's hire a taxi. You can go there by dash. So you can go there by what? There will not be any article, so we will give here cross. Okay, it's not, we will give here cross. Okay, now James, thank you very much. Kabir, you are welcome. So there will be 8 fill in the blanks, and each fill in the blanks will contain 0.5 marks, and you have to put A, N or the to fill up those blanks, and you will also use put a cross if no article is needed in those fill in the blanks. And dear students, all of you will practice model question 1 to 8 for fill in the blanks or for the other exercises, grammatical exercises. So all of you will practice model question number 1 to 8. Now we will go to our homework. This is homework number 16. Fill in the gaps with an or the and put a cross where no article is needed. Now Abi is saying, what are you doing over dash weekend? Muna, I am going to exercise, meet some dash friends and then watch dash TV. Now Abi, who are you going to meet? Now Muna is saying, dash friend from my native village, he is dash excellent student. Now Abi, how long is he going to stay? Now Muna is saying he is only here for dash day. Now Abi, do you have something dash special for him? Now Muna is saying I plan on taking him to dash Italian restaurant. So this is your homework. This is homework number 16 and there are 8 fill in the blanks that you will use articles to fill up those gaps. So dear students, you can take a screenshot and it will be helpful for you and you will do your homework. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will do your homework and submit it on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM in the school library. So that's all for today. See you again. Allah Hafiz.